This video we will try to write a simple Python program. So for this we are going to use this framework Visual Studio and Git. So if you are not aware of Git and Visual Studio, please see the link in the description. Set up the Git and the Visual Studio. So this is the project which we have, or just a folder which we have initialized with the Git. So if you see here, it is in the normal branch. So next videos we'll see how to create the branch, check out from that everything. Now today we'll write a simple Python program, just hello. So click here, and here if you see, you can create a new file or a new folder. So I'll just click a new file, right? Welcome.py. py shows it is a Python. So once you click Python, if Python is not there, it will ask here, do you want to install the recommended Python installation? You have to say yes. So now only it is installing. So this is the linking between the Python and this Visual Studio. See, it is done by the Python extension for Visual Studio. So you have to install this, only then you will be able to work. Once it's installed, you can start working. I think it is installed. Now again go back to the source directory and this file. Here you can go to this welcome. So now this file is empty, you cannot run it. So how to run? First you write a sample program. That's all. It is an interpreter, so you don't need a compiler for this, but still you need an interpreter. So how it works? See, if you want to know what all, see, this is the advantage of using Visual Studio. Once you write P, so you can see all the packages or what are all the options you can use with P. So print. So if you don't know the parameter, just give open braces and check what value to give. See, it says separate inserted values. You can just follow this. For now, I am just writing welcome to Python learning. That's all. Just a string and closed it. So now control yes if you do, this will be saved. You see the dot was there, that white dot. See, that white dot is there. If you give control yes, that will be saved. So this is a wrong value, so I am deleting. Control S. Control S to save, or you can give here and as well as save the project. I am just giving control S. See this one. So once saving, now we have to run it. So if you want to run anything, you need to give the extension and everything. So now this Visual Studio will take care of everything. So just go to this run. You can give start debugging or run without debugging. Just we'll see debugging. Here it will say what you want to debug. This is a Python file, so active Python file. So it is compiling. See, it has given the output. Welcome to Python learning. So how it is working? So it is taking the path of the Python which we have installed. So before extension, you should already have a Python installed. So then this is the how. If you want to directly run without debugging, run without debugging. That also you can do. See, that is also executing. So this is the debug console, this output console, and problem and terminal. Everything you can do in the terminal itself. That's all. This is a very simple program. I am typing one more. Just I am typing this. Now if I am not saving, I have to do control S, save it, and then run. Start, run without debugging. Now you should get 2 lines. See, now we are getting 2 lines. Welcome as well as thanks for learning. So that's all. So now we saw how to write a Python program. It's very simple. Install, I'll just recap the step. Install the Git, then install the Visual Studio, install Python, and then come to this repo, and here you have to create this file name, source control. In the file name you have here you have to click here and create a file name. Once you give .py, if this py extension is not there, it will ask whether you want to install the extension. You have to say yes, and then write the program and go to run and start debugging, and you can see the output. So these are the simple steps. We'll see the other steps in the next video. Thank you.